Hey guys, it's Nick. I'm here in downtown Manhattan. I'm going to take a walk through the side streets over here at Chinatown, see what's going on down here. So this is Mott Street over here. And if you want some really good Chinese food, come down here, of course. And some of my favorite places are the soup dumpling places. And so there's one on the corner here. I haven't been back here since the pandemic. Let's see if they're still here. Where's the place? I think it's Hop. Is it? Oh, Hop Kee. That's the one. Hop Kee restaurant. You go here, you got some really good soup dumplings and scallion pancakes and all of that stuff. And around the block you got places like Joe Shanghai and whatnot. So really good place to eat over here and just walk around and see what's new. And of course on the other side of Canal Street you have Little Italy as well. So depending what you feel like eating, you know, you have two different kinds of choices really of really good Chinese and Italian. So I believe Joe Shanghai is over here, and they also have that, if they're still here, the ice cream shop. I don't know if they have it anymore. But oh man, this place is big. Dim Sum. House of Joy restaurant, Joe's Ginger. Is this Joe Shanghai? I don't even remember. Yeah, so a lot of good food around here. I'm not going to eat because I'm going out for some Greek food tonight, actually, so. So man, it's crowded out here. This place had a fire recently. Oh.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah, and this is end of March. And it's about 50 degrees out today. And so, oh, here's the place, Ice Cream Factory. This is a place I wanted to see. So it's not it's not spring by any means, but still there's a lot of people out here. So this place, Chinatown Ice Cream Factory. Got all these crazy flavors. Vegan pea protein, red velvet, zen butter, cookies and chocolate, matcha and cookies, Thai iced tea, durian. Oh my god, I'm gonna stink. Guys, if you want some really interesting ice cream flavors that you're not going to find anyplace else in New York, probably, go check that place out. So let's get back to Mott. The line to get in that place. So I'm kind of tempted to eat something here, but these guys got some serious camera equipment over here. That guy looks like, where's Waldo? So straight ahead is Canal Street. Chase with a Chinese letter sign. You don't see that everywhere. So this is Canal Street. We're kind of at the top of the hill. Where's Mulberry Street is right there. That's the street with Little Italy and all the Italian restaurants. So I might as well take a walk over there real quick so you can compare and contrast the Chinatown side to the Little Italy side. I wonder if all the touts are out there trying to get people to come into the restaurant like they usually are. Let's see. See how aggressive they are.
You saw that, right?
Man, this is like a open air vegetable market. Look at this. Excuse me. So Little Italy looks a little quiet compared to Mott Street, I'll tell you that. I don't know, maybe more people come out here for dinner, whereas there's a lot of people coming out for lunch on Mott Street.
Girl?
This is also the street they have the San Gennaro feast on every year. I forget what time of the year it is. You got your touts with the fake purses and watches and stuff. So it's a little quiet right now, I gotta say. There's some people here, but not a lot. Smells like weed a lot down here. I wonder why.
That's right.
Hey guys, how are you?
So this is kind of the end of it over here, maybe another half block or something. Spaghetti carbonara, 24 bucks. Chicken franchise, 30 bucks. So that's about a little look at what prices you can expect to pay down here for some simple kind of Italian stuff. Gelato Ferrara. That looks pretty good. Let's see how they compare to the Chinese flavors. Salt and caramel, amarena, Nutella. Looks good, but definitely not as adventurous as the Chinese ice cream. So guys, that's a little walk around Chinatown and Little Italy. See what's going on at the end of March in 2023. People are back here, so the crowds are already coming back, even though it's not that warm out. So if you're thinking of coming down here, definitely come check it out. Hope you like this one, guys. Thanks for watching.